Now you're saying
I'm not
ready.
saying go. I just said ready.
I just want you to do like
thing.
that.
Okay, but sometimes you're not like paying attention. All right, this one is for Brian, and he wants to go fishing with you sometimes, and he really likes you. Actually, he says, "I love you."
Hey, what's his name, Brian?
Yeah.
All right, Brian. Hey, this is what I'm talking about. Simple, easy, fishing, and he loves me.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. Brian, you're my kind of guy. You, anytime you want to come fish, I got big-ass carp up in my canal. Coming out this big, okay? You, me, anytime, buddy. I love you right on back. How's he like that? Cheers, buddy.
Nice.
Happy 2019. That's what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
Brian. Right on, buddy. Why are you laughing?
No, I don't know when you're done.
I'm
Sometimes.
done.